In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Dropbox as an editing agency. If you're handling multiple client projects, sending large files back and forth, and trying to keep everything organized, Dropbox can be a very practical workspace. The key is not just storing files, but building a simple system that helps you manage projects clearly from start to finish. To begin, go to Dropbox and either log into your account or create one if you haven't already. Once you're inside your workspace, create a new folder that will act as your main hub. This could be named something like Client Projects, Video Editing Agency, or Design Orders. The idea is to have one main folder where all of your work lives, so you're not constantly searching through scattered files later. Next, open that main folder and start organizing it by client. Create a separate folder for each client, and inside each client folder, create folders for individual projects, such as Project 1 or Project 2. Then, within each project folder, add subfolders for raw files, edited files, and final output. This structure makes it much easier to know exactly where footage came from, where current edits are being saved, and which version is ready for delivery. When it's time to collect files from clients, use Dropbox's File Request feature. Click Share, choose Create File Request, copy the link, and send it directly to your client. This is especially useful because clients can upload files without needing their own Dropbox account, which makes the process smoother and removes unnecessary friction. For your editing workflow, create a clear path for each project. Upload raw files into an incoming folder first. Once work begins, move those files into an editing folder. As edits become ready for client approval, save them in a review folder. Then, once everything is approved and exported, place the final versions in a delivered folder. This kind of workflow helps you see the status of each project at a glance. To share edited work with clients, right-click the final file or folder and select Share. From there, you can choose View Only Access, which is usually the safest option for clients, or Can Edit Access if you're working with collaborators. Then send the link or use an email invite, depending on how you prefer to communicate. Dropbox also makes feedback easier. Open a file in preview mode and click Comment. Clients can leave revision notes and, with video files, point to specific timestamps. You can reply directly inside the same thread, which keeps feedback connected to the actual file instead of getting lost in messages. Finally, make use of version history. Click a file and open version history to view or restore older edits if needed. This is extremely important because it helps prevent the loss of previous work and gives you a safety net whenever changes need to be reversed.